Today we'll make this beautiful Irish flower. It is a great addition to your crochet project. Start with magic ring. Chain 6, one double crochet, chain 3, again one double crochet, chain 3, continue until we have 7 double crochets, all followed by 3 chains. Now tighten the ring by pulling the losing end. One, two, three, slip stitch on the 3rd chain. This completes the first round. There should be 8 holes formed by neighboring double crochets and chain stitches. Second round, chain 1, single crochet in the first hole. In the same hole, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. This completes the first flower petal. Now move to next hole. Again, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Continue until we finish all 8 petals. For a third round, first find the starting chain stitches in the first round and single crochet it from the back. Now chain 4. Find the first double crocheted post in the first round. Again, single crochet from the back. Chain 4. Find the second double crochet post in the first round and single crochet from the back. Repeat for remaining 5 double crochet posts and slip stitch to the starting chains to complete the third round. Now we have 8 holes at the back. For the fourth round, find the first hole, single crochet in the hole, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. So this completes the first petal in this round. Now move to next hole. Again, single crochet, half double crochet, 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, half double crochet, single crochet. So this completes the second petal. Continue until we finish all 8 petals. Round 5. Find the first petal starting chains and insert hook from the back around it. Slip stitch. Chain 5. Insert around the chains between first petal and the second petal. Slip stitch. Chain 5. Continue making 5 chains between petals until we reach the first petal. Make a slip stitch to complete the round. Similar to fourth round, find the first hole, single crochet, then half double crochet in the same hole, 2 double crochet, two treble crochet, two double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet. This completes one petal in this round. Move on to next hole. Again, one single crochet, one half double crochet, two double, two treble, two double, one half double crochet, one single crochet. Continue till all 8 petals are completed. This is our lovely Irish flower. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. I will have regular updates.